Hi everyone, I am Dr. Gopi Krishnan, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see the video lecture related to the topic welding process. So the today's topics are the fundamentals of welding, which includes the following topics: overview of welding technology, the weld joint, physics of welding, features of a fusion welded joint. Before getting into the welding concepts, we must understand the difference between the welding and assembly process of the manufacturing process. Welding can also be called as the joining process. Actually, welding comes as one of the methods of joining process. Joining process can be taken as a single entity or the single process which consists of welding process, brazing process, soldering process, and adhesive bonding process. All these processes form a permanent joint between the parts. When two parts are joined together, we need to form a permanent joint between the parts, and the permanent joints can only be made by the joining process. Whereas in the other case, the assembly is going to be the fastening of the different parts together by means of the mechanical methods. Say, for example, if you want to create an assembly between a bolt and a nut, we have to join together, we have to move the parts together, and by means of the screw threads available over the surfaces of the bolt and nut, the assembly can be formed. So in this case, the bolt and nut can be separated or it can be added together depending upon the conditions we require in the applications. Or else, if you go for the process called riveting process, if you want to make the two components together, we need to place the rivets by combining the two components, and that is also one of the methods of bringing the assembly between the two components. So the joining and assembly process are different. If you want to create a permanent joint, we have to go for the joining process, whereas assembly is going to be the process in which we can be able to bring the disassembly or assembly of the components together. This is all about the difference between the joining process and the assembly process. Joining process is going to be one of the processes that are used for joining the two components or the metals or the parts together. It is the process in which two or more parts are coalesced at their contacting surfaces by the application of heat and pressure or heat or pressure. Many welding processes are accomplished by heat alone with no pressure applied, whereas some of the welding processes require the combination of heat and pressure. Few other welding processes also require the pressure alone with no external heat. In few welding processes, a filler material rod is also added to facilitate the coalescence. Coalescence is the welding of two different components together. We always come across the question why welding is important for the joining of two different materials in the given application. Here are the three reasons. Reason number one, it provides a permanent joint. The welded components become a single entity by joining the two different parts by means of the application of pressure or heat or the combination of pressure and heat. Reason number two, this is going to be the most economical way to join parts in terms of the material usage and the fabrication cost. Mechanical fastening is going to be the assembly process which requires the additional hardware components, example bolt, screw, nut, and geometric alterations of the parts being assembled, example holes or the drills over the components, whereas the welding process does not require any additional hardware components or the additional geometric alterations of the parts being joined. Reason number three, this is not restricted to a factory environment as like a few other manufacturing processes. Welding is going to be the standalone process which can be accomplished in the field. So these are the three attractive properties of the welding process. by which we come to know about the importance of the welding process of the different components in the applications. Don't we have any limitations of the drawbacks of welding process? Depending upon the welding process, we have a few limitations and drawbacks, and here are the four limitations and drawbacks of the welding process. Number one, the most welding operations are performed manually and are expensive in terms of labor cost. Reason number two, most welding processes utilize the high energy and are inherently dangerous. Number three, welded joints do not allow for convenient disassembly. The components are joined together and the microstructure gets mingled between the two components. So ultimately, the disassembly of the two components after joining is always impossible. Number four, welded joints can have equally quality defects that are difficult to detect. We have to go for the further quality process to check the strength of the welded joint. So these are the few limitations and drawbacks of the welding process. But if you see the advantages of the welding process, they will always outweigh the limitations and drawbacks of the welding process when the manufacturing process is concerned.